My name is Judy Pedersen, and I am the founder and director of the program Hearts of Hope. Hearts of Hope is the creation of small keepsake ceramic hearts. We cut them all out by hand. We paint them with acrylic paints, all by hand by volunteers all over the country. We decorate them, we attach beautiful greeting cards that go with every single gift, and then we package them. We began this program in response to 9/11 in January of 2002. We created several hundred of the small ceramic hearts. We invited the community to come out. 700 people turned out in one afternoon and painted the most beautiful hearts you could ever imagine. We packaged them all up, jammed them into 2 SUVs, and drove to Lower Manhattan because that was where there was a fire station that had set up a temporary counseling center. That was the beginning of it, and we kept going and going. 2006, the program exploded. It exploded, I think, in part because of a woman named Joni. Joni, in 2008, was diagnosed with breast cancer. She underwent a year of treatment, which included surgery and chemo and rehab, and on her very last day of radiation, she was handed a small gift bag which contained our beautiful treasure, a little heart of hope. First thought she had was, I gotta call this organization and I gotta get this to my students. And so she did, by the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds every year. We have created and we have painted and we've had greeting cards accompanying tens of thousands of hearts. We deliver them nationally and internationally to hospitals, to cancer centers, to men and women in the military, and to communities everywhere. We've responded to the tragedy in Newtown, Moore, Oklahoma tragedy, to the Prescott firefighters. Everywhere there is a need, people have responded. And when they're handed a small heart of hope, they realize that it doesn't take a whole lot to show that people truly care. This program continues to grow because people really do care, that they're thinking about other people in times of need, and more than ever, people seem to want to pay it forward and pay it forward they do through this amazing program.